Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Galaxy's Corner. Are you tired of your everyday tomato stew? So today I will teach us how to prepare this tasty chicken curry sauce. Bet me you will love the recipe. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'll be using chicken breast for this recipe, but you can use any chicken part of your choice since it's chicken curry sauce, so definitely it must be chicken, but you can use any part of your choice like chicken laps, chicken wings, but here I'm using chicken breast. Then I will start by washing my chicken. As you can see, I'm washing the chicken. I love washing my proteins and vegetables thoroughly, as you can see here. Then I'll start cutting my chicken. I'll cut it to my desired shape, as you can see it here. I'm not done washing the chicken. I'll still wash it after cutting. That's how I do my things. So as you can see, I'm cutting it. You can leave it like this. You can cut it small. You can cut it to your desired shape. So I'm done cutting my chicken. As you can see the shape. So I'll take it to the sink to wash for the last time before marinating it. After washing my chicken, I'll start marinating it. I'm putting my salt, my onion powder. I have the video of the onion powder, how you can make your own onion powder at home. It's in one of my videos. Then I'll put rosemary. This is my rosemary. I'm putting rosemary. Then I'll put thyme. This is my thyme. I'm putting my spices. Then I'll add curry. I'm using a native mixed curry. As you can see, I'll add my curry. This is my curry. Then my seasoning cube. I love using Knorr cube. So I'll add my Knorr cube to the chicken. As you can see, I'm adding my Knorr cube. Then after, I'll add my ginger and garlic powder. I have it at home, ginger and garlic powder. Then after adding it, I'll use my turning stick to turn them together. I'll make sure everything, all the spices enter inside. Then when I'm done turning it, I'll cover it with my plastic foil. As you can see, I'm covering it with my plastic foil. Then I'll put it in the fridge for 1 hour to marinate. So after, I will start prepping our veggies. I have my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, my carrots, and my onion. So I'll start by removing the seeds of my peppers, scrape the back of my carrot, then remove the back of my onions. After, I'll start washing them. I'll make sure I wash them very well. Remember, I told you I love washing my vegetables and proteins very well. So I'll start washing them very well. So after washing them, I'll start cutting them to my desired sizes, as you can see. But you feel free to cut to your own desired sizes, the sizes you want them to you want your carrot and your peppers to be, even your onions. But me, I love cutting my veggies like this. So I'll set them aside, bring an empty plate with water, put my cornstarch inside it and mix it very well. I'll mix my cornstarch with my water very well and set aside. Then 1 hour later, I'll bring out my marinated chicken. See my marinated chicken. Then I'll start by frying the chicken. Inside my heated pot, I'll add my oil, my groundnut oil inside my heated pot. Then add my onion to fry the onion. I'm adding my onion, so I want to start frying the onion. Then it's time to add my marinated chicken. So I'll add my marinated chicken and fry for some time. I will not fry it for a long time. It will be half done. So I'll fry it for some time. Then I will add water. I'll add water to it. After adding the water, I'll add salt. I'll add salt to the water. I'll add seasoning cube. See, like I told you, I love using Maggi. Then I'll add pepper. See my pepper. I'll add pepper. After adding my pepper, I'll cover my pot. After 5 minutes, I'll add my carrot. I'll need to add my carrot first because carrot is strong. So I'll add my carrot and cover the pot for like 1 minute. Then after about 1 minute, I'll add the remaining veggies. I'll add the remaining veggies like my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I'll add all my peppers. You see, I'm adding my green bell pepper now. After I'm adding my yellow bell pepper. Then after adding the peppers, the veggies, I'll add my cornstarch. Cornstarch is the last thing I'll add. I'll add my cornstarch into it, turn it very well, and cover my pot. If you're watching till this moment, I say a very big thank you for sticking with me this far. And if you're watching for the first time, welcome to Galaxy's Corner and subscribe to my channel. To all my returning viewers, thank you so much for stopping by again. I do appreciate all the love and support you show. Thank you. Yes, so our chicken curry sauce is ready. I don't like putting too much cornstarch in my chicken curry sauce. I like it this way, and this is actually the best moment. See, our chicken curry sauce is ready. A very tasty chicken curry sauce. Yes. You can pair it with your rice, with your yam, with your plantain, anything you want to pair it with. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See our tasty chicken curry sauce. Thank you. You can leave a comment, like, and subscribe.